Today I will show you an in-depth understanding of the macro brushless DC water pump. This one in my hand is the best-selling one of the Topsflo right now. Millions of TL-C01 have been sold, and it can be found in more than 50 countries, such as the United States, France, the United Kingdom, and Australia, especially in water heaters, hot drinking machines, smart toilets, water heating mattresses, 3D printers, EV chargers, medical equipment, and other products. Let's take a look at this small and exquisite appearance. No shrinkage on the surface, no fiber lines, no burrs, tight assembly, no gaps, and no leakage. This is the water inlet. This is the water outlet. The shape of the inlet and outlet of the Topsflo pump can be selected or customized according to the actual needs of the customer's pipeline. The pump body has a lever which can intuitively fit the flow rate, water head, voltage, and the precaution of a pump. Customer can use it according to this specification. It's worth mentioning that the water pump casing is made of Asahi Kasi PPE imported from Japan, and it has FDA, NSF, CE, and one of the strictest certification in the UK, RAS certification, which is safe and reliable, and you can use it with confidence. Take pump apart. The first part we can see is the pump head and impeller. We have adopted the impeller shaft design that's more in line with the principle of fluid mechanics, which improves the efficiency of the pump by 20%. This is shaft. The surface of the shaft body is very smooth, since the hardness is 7 times higher than that of the piers, so that the whole shaft is very dense. Using such a shaft not only makes the pump more shock resistant, but also makes the pump last longer. This is the rotor, which is injected with Japanese high-precision smooth. The rotor on balance is only 20 mg, and the vibration is very low. The structure design between the shaft and the rotor is reasonable and precise, and the two high-precision parts is destined to have high assembly accuracy, such as its high-precision coaxiality, which can keep the pump no noise during operation. Under the same performance and parameters, the noise of Topsflo pump is 5 to 10 dB lower than its peers. Pump chamber. The pump chamber completely isolates the motors and the water passing areas and adopts a stainless steel design to never leak. This is a motor imported in named wire, more temperature resistance. This is PCBA, which is supplied by the world's top 5 electronic distributors, more reliable. The overall layout of motor and PCBA is reasonable, and the design margin is large, so that the temperature rise of the pump is smaller during the long-term operation. Adopt intelligent imported chips, which can realize intelligent speed regulation, signal feedback, monitor the speed, pressure, current, and other data of water pump at any time, and generate fault codes. It is precisely because of so many delicate and precise design that a small pump can share in the market and become popular.